What is this? Let me figure it out. Mapanaan ka ba? Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, I'll be doing a Shopee haul. And this is going to be a sexy G-string lingerie panty haul from Shopee. And this is very affordable. We are looking at see-through, transparent embroidery, sexy lingerie. You are going to be boom shakala in this one because this is very attractive and also very cheap, and I got it online through online shopping. My favorite for my go-to is Shopee because it's easy, convenient, and I like the shipping as well. And the guys that do the the delivery is faster and more reliable, so I like it. And also it's cheap to buy it on Shopee, and I rather spend my time more on just through a click through a computer. Even though my computer is slow, I prefer buying it online. Anyways, if you are interested on what I got for you guys, I got 2 items for you here, and this is going to be my part 3 for bridal lingerie collection. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So our first G-string collection for today is very nice, sexy, attractive, and this is adorable. What I got in store for you, ta-da! This is it. I can see another lucky charm. Yes, another lucky charm. Oh wow, see through G-string, you guys. Look at that. Bam! 3 stripes. Yes, price for this is above 60 pesos, not over 70. So somewhere around 65-69 pesos, which is very affordable and budget friendly. Very easy on the packet, and also you will make your night more exciting and fun with this one. Look at that. Yes. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, I'm seeing what? Embroidery. Right? Look at that, guys. This is a little bit more of a bigger size, but I think this would fit me very well. And very light. Look at that. Another striking. So cute, you guys. Look at that. Look nice. Look at that. Butterfly shape. And it's a thong. Back. Of course. Look at that, guys. See-through. Kita niyo pang kaugmaon. Alright, so just G-string here. Okay, this is more of a delicate material. So look at that. Okay, but the design, it's wonderful, very sexy, attractive. Very skinny here, no, very tiny. So this might be a little bit uncomfortable, you think? But but if you're get used to with this kind of a design, I don't think it's a problem. Yeah, actually it looks very beautiful, nice, and yeah. This is our first sexy lingerie number 1. Do you like it? Yes. Also, it has like a, I don't know if you see that, kind of a bling sparkling like stone here. Yes. Yeah, in the front it's more like sparkling. Maybe if you turn off the lights, the lights off, bam, but it will might catch a light and it might sparkle a little bit. I'm not sure, but yes, it is what I think that is the sparkly here on the middle. Yep, I think so. Alright, that's our first lingerie one. Our next one, what's gonna be? Of course, another bridal lingerie and white. Of course, it's always been white. Alright guys, this one I'm not sure what is this. Kidding. Ooh, I see pearl. What is that? Pearl. Hmm? Pearly shell from the ocean, shining in the sun. Oh, what is this? Wow, what is this? What is this? Oh, naglibog. What is this? Let me figure it out. What is this? Oh, okay. Alright, so let's get this off. Alright. Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow, this is very unusual. And as you all know, I always find something different in each time I make a purchase on my channel, because I prefer that way. It's more exciting, more fun, and you will get surprised on what item I got. So it's not always the same cut, it's always a different thing, because I always like different things in my channel. So this one is more of a string type. Yeah, G-string, diba? And the precious one, look at a pearl in the middle. Look at that. This is, I don't know. Wow, diba? I don't know how you describe it. Speechless ko, guys. Okay, you got a embroidery here, flower. What is this? I don't know what kind of flower is this. Flowery embroidery here design in the front and in the front. This is a very hard thing to demonstrate. Yes, pearl, see? And you got two strings both sides here. And in fairness, this is strong. Mapanaan ka ba? Pana. Wait again. Target. Okay, so this one, and you get a triangular shape in the back side. Look at that. It's just a string. See, look at that. Right? So, yes, guys. This is a very fun design. I don't really know what to expect when I order it online. I was like, what does it really look like in person? But now it's like, wow, amazing. So, price for this is also 65 to 69 pesos. Shopping online, all this sexy woman's lingerie is very affordable. So if you're interested and where I got this kind of a panty haul lingerie, please comment down below. I'll let you know. So of these two, how I got the pearl or the butterfly, which one do you prefer? Alright, guys, so this would sum up our women's lingerie sexy panty haul from Shopee. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.